Hi buddies, in this video we will cover the command line or the terminal. So the softwares that we need are actually just the hosting service, the code editor, Git and command line. We are done with the first three in the previous videos. Let's play up with command line. So command line is present by default. Now that we can move between folders by clicking, I mean through the GUI, then why learn command line? That is a question that did appear to me as well when I started. So it is the similar to the analogy of the geared vehicles and automatic vehicles. Once you learn a geared vehicle, you will anyways be able to drive an automatic vehicle. But if you only have learned automatic, in the case of emergency, it's almost like you don't know driving. So similar with the GUI and command line. So there are cases wherein the GUI won't be accessible. At this point of time, you will need to use command line. So it's best to learn from the command line, because again it's almost same across all the OSs. Okay. Next, how do you open the command line? You just have to come here and say CMD and your command prompt will be open. Just say open. Okay. Now let's play with this. I will keep the commands handy. Yeah. So I've created let me show you all that. I've created a folder called universe here in the desktop, and as you click you have a Milky Way, that is a galaxy we are in, and another galaxy, a hidden folder, and just some random galaxy. And inside Milky Way I have created two folders. Okay, so now let's traverse using command line. Yeah, so CD, next folder is desktop, and CD, it means you're clicking and entering inside. It's the same universe. So I'm inside universe. Now I just want to know at this point what are the directories or what are the files folders that are there here. So I will click say dir. So like I showed you all, there are the files listed. If you notice, the hidden file is missing. So in case you want to also see the hidden file, the command is dir and /a. Like as you see, the hidden galaxy is seen now. Say you want to go back, now you are inside the universe folder. Say you want to go back to by one. So what you do is cd dot dot. So now we are out of universe folder and we are in the desktop folder. Okay, so let me again go into one more feature. Is if you have used the commands before, just the arrows in the keyboard helps you to go back to them. Okay, so I found this. Plus let me go into CD Milky Way. Now let me create a folder now, mkdir, and the folder name, say. Now if you want to confirm if that the folder is already there, one you can enter it, or you can just say dir, you will get the list. As you see, the earth is listed here. These are the basic commands that you need to know, and with this you will be able to traverse through Git. Another is actually echo. So in case you would want to create a file, this would be the format. mkdir is for creation of folders. So let's see if the file is created. Like you see, you can see a node.txt already created. Yeah, that is all you need to know with the command lines when you work with Git. Yeah, that is all I had for this video. See you all at our next study buddy video. If you have any doubts, please post on the comments. Your constructive feedbacks is most welcome. Thank you.